There's oil everywhere.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Getting fed up, nothing you can tell us.
Alright guys, welcome back to the video. I'm gonna be swapping bikes with Will. He was on the M1K today, so I will be on this bad boy, and we're gonna swap. He's gonna take the R1M. I'm gonna ride the M1K. Look how just gorgeous that thing is, man. Just all the light hitting that carbon. I mean, sheesh. I don't know if I've ridden a white one of these. I rode the Sao Paulo one, but not this version. He's got oil all over it from the last video, as well as oil on this bike, oil all over everybody's bikes. But I'm excited to get on this. I mean, bro, look at this bike. Carbon windshield, carbon intake, the wings, the fender. I think that stuff comes OEM carbon, but it's also got all this done up right all throughout the bike with the underbelly on there, swing arm covers looking good, the Louis Moto seats. He's got Rizoma reservoirs with the lines as well. I mean, the Rizoma mirrors on here. Burton's got this thing done up right, as always. He always comes correct, man, with all his vehicles. It's crazy. I love it, though. The Krapovich, I'm pretty sure it's the Krapovich exhaust on there. Carbon covers over on this side. You see all the titanium bolts all through there. He really didn't spare many expenses with this bike. It's gonna be a 9-day difference going from the R1M to that, because this has so much more power. The electronics are a little bit better. It's a lot more comfortable than this. So I'm excited to get on this and see how it does. He does have it lowered to fit his height and the suspension set up. So you can see here, this one's also lowered as well. You got Mez out here on his beautiful ZX10, Trippy out here on his M1K. We got Caden on his ZX6R. We got FastLaneD KC on his S1K. We got Burton rolling in on the Serie Oro MV Agusta, man. This thing is gorgeous, though. He's back. One bike breaks down, he goes and gets another one. Love it. He's got the expensive tires on there. You see the stripe on the Super Corsas? You already know, man. Big money. There's only 500 of these in the world, bro. But all right, we're just hanging out for a sec. The boys are over there chopping it up, talking that shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna have some fun, so y'all stay tuned for this. Alright, we had some troubles with the R1M, so we went back and grabbed the ZX10. I rode this bike all day yesterday, so I'm gonna let Will take the reins on it. I really like this bike, like a lot. Like a lot. Hey, we're going to the bridge, right? Yeah. I'm surprised at how much I really love that freaking bike, dude. Like, I kind of want one now, which is not a good thing. There's already a long list of bikes I want. But we're on this M1K, so let's have some fun. Let's see how this differs from Mona. It's crazy seeing you here now, dog. It's like, what the f? How do you like it? Oh, I freaking love that bike. I was surprised at how much I enjoyed it. It's so good. I literally feel like I'm on my M1K. This windshield is a lot more flat than I'm used to. It looks weird. It looks like it's been pancaked. Oh yeah, and the handle's a little different obviously because it's lowered, but that shifter's different too. We are headed to the bridge to link up with Ben, Alter Dark. We're gonna shoot some rollers. We get some good shots of Burton on his new MV Agusta Serie Oro. We got Abe that joined us. Man, I don't like this dash. This screen looks smaller. And I don't know if it's just because I don't have the carbon surround on this bike like I have on mine. But right off the bat, that's what I'm just kind of taking you guys through everything that I noticed. That's different. White on here is beautiful though, I will say that. jumped out on me, but once, I'm still learning this bike, but once this bike gets settled and I'm pulling, we're good. I haven't played with any of the settings on here yet, but I think that's a pretty evenly matched race right there. That's perfect. Yeah, that's on me. That was a bad launch. Oh, hell no, hell no. Oh my God, bro. He's gonna go, yo. Doing this, I gotta lose some weight. It's killing me. Being 250 and then 260 with all the gear. Yeah, I gotta cut. This is not acceptable. Unacceptable, dog. For the Miami meet that's coming up soon, I promise you guys, it'll be a whole different story. We'll cut some weight, man. This. Coming around him at the top, dog. That's close. ZX10 was pulling on the Fireblade. I don't know. That's close, dog. That's close. We're getting some good runs in, boys, today. We'll do a run with Matt. Oh my God. Yeah, I feel at home on this bike. Oh.